Welcome to All Green Noom Kitchen. My name is Jim John Marks. This morning we're serving up steel cut oats for breakfast. This makes a great pairing with our whole wheat pasta crab salad for lunch, which gets you through 2 of your 3 meals for the day with hardly any yellow or red calories spent. 1/4 cup of steel cut oats per person who's eating. I always cook for 2, so I'm using 1/2 cup here. You're going to want to spread these oats out in the thinnest layer you can, so choose your pan to create a nice thin layer, but also you don't want bare pan because it'll get too hot during the cooking. So get as close as you can to full without it piling up too deep, and then toast off those oats very gently. A few grinds of salt will enhance the flavor. Too much gets weird, but if you leave it out, you will notice a much flatter taste to the final result. Keep an eye on these. They do burn easily before you've added the water. I use an electric kettle to get my water up to 200 degrees before I start, which makes the whole thing go quicker. 3/4 cup of water per 1/4 cup of oats, so I need 1.5 cups of water for my 2 portions. Add that to your already hot pan and it should simmer just about immediately. Once you have a nice strong simmer, you can turn the heat all the way down and put on a lid. You're going to set your timer for 25 minutes and let those steam as gently as you possibly can. Keep in mind you can add fresh fruit to this when it's done to really enhance the flavor. And again, fruit is always green, so that's a great choice. This does take a little while. You'll need a half an hour every morning to make this happen. Apologies for the dirty stove, but you can see how low the flame there needs to be to keep these from boiling over with the lid on. It's not that much water, so it will get above the boiling point quickly. And when they're done, your result should look like this. If it's a little soupy when you take the lid off, recover, keep on low, give it another 5 minutes. If you stir too much, they will get gummy, so try to stir them as little as possible.